So the next function is called barrel roll. Now barrel roll is an interesting editing function which will spiral your footage. So barrel roll isn't a recording mode, it's an editing mode. So you can do that in post-production in the Insta360 Go app.
How to do the barrel roll? Basically, just go to album and select the clip which you want to edit. Now let's select this clip of me running. So this is the raw clip. Alright, me running this way. Okay, so let's edit a little bit more. I want to increase the back just a bit more. Alright, okay, it looks a bit crazy, but let's put it just about here. So now what you want to do is to hold the screen, and then this will come out. Now it will start at about 0, and you want to end it about negative 360. Right? Simply tap the screen, and then this is how you get the barrel roll.
So there you go, you have a clip with a barrel roll effect.